Good afternoon class.
Good afternoon, sir.
This is your Ielts speaking class. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਟੌਪਿਕਸ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਟ ਆਊਟ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਜੋ ਵੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਟ ਆਊਟ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਦੋਗੇ, ਸੋ ਦੈਟ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਟੌਪਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਆਈਡੀਆਜ਼ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ ਕਲੈਕਟ ਹੋ ਸਕਣ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਸੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਰ ਸਾਥੋਂ ਇਹ ਆਈਡੀਆਜ਼ ਐਕਸਪਲੋਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਬਾਰੇ ਬੋਲਣਾ ਔਖਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ। ਸੋ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਟੌਪਿਕਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਜੀ, ਹਰੇਕ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾਊਗਾ, ਉਹ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਆਈਡੀਆਜ਼ ਕਲੈਕਟ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਫਰਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈ ਦਵਿੰਦਰ, do you like to have flowers in your home?
Yes, I have keen interest in keeping up flowers at my home because it plays an indispensable role for enhancing the beauty of my home.
Okay, where would you go to buy flowers?
I would like to buy flowers from a shop which is situated in my hometown, and it is just approximately 2 kilometers away from my residential area. But moreover, with the advancement of technology, it has become possible to buy flowers from online.
Okay, have you ever gifted flowers to someone?
Yes, I vividly remember that when I studied in my matrix, at that time I gave a flower to my friend on her birthday.
Okay, sit. Gurpreet, do you like to watch television?
Yes, I love to watch television because it is an entertainment source for me.
Okay, how much time you spend on watching television?
I usually spend about 2 or 3 hours on watching television because, as I have mentioned earlier, it is a source of entertainment.
Okay, what type of programs do you like to watch?
I mostly like to watch those programs which are related to comedy as well as daily soap and so on.
Okay, sit. Raman, what is your hometown well known for?
Well, my hometown is famous for its different amenities because it provided various facilities to the people, and it provides good educational institutes, hospitals, and shopping centers.
Okay, do you like to live there for a long time?
I will like to live there for a long time, but nowadays I wish to go abroad for higher education. But after some time, when my study was completed, then I will came back and live there.
Okay, do you know the people who live next door to you?
Yes, I know my neighbor, who is live to my next door to me, because this neighbors provide enable to the help.
Okay, sit. Hanji Raman, do you like to do outdoor activities?
Yes, I love doing outdoor activities. Whenever I am free, that time I prefer to do badminton. That time I prefer to play badminton with my brother.
Okay, with whom you like to play these games?
As I earlier mentioned, I love playing game with my brother because I am spending my most of leisure time with my brothers.
Okay, do you like to go on vacations?
Yes, I love to go on vacation with my family member. Whenever we are free, that during weekends we go on vacation.
Okay, which is your favorite destination?
Well, my favorite destination is Shimla. Mostly I went to this place during my summer holidays with my friends, and I spend quality of time with my friends because it's best opportunity for me to spending quality of time with them.
Okay, sit. Robin, what type of games do you like to play, indoor or outdoor?
Mostly I like to play outdoor games with my friends.
Which type of outdoor games do you like to play?
Mostly I play cricket with my friends.
What? Repeat.
Mostly I prefer to play cricket with my friends.
Okay, with whom you like to play?
Mostly I prefer to play with my friends because I have mostly spend my time with my friends.
Okay, sit. Lovepreet, what do you do on your weekends?
On the weekends, I went with my friends on any food cafes and enjoy different type of variety of food.
Okay, do you like to go on picnics on your weekends?
On the picnics, I like to go on picnic with my friends to enjoy a lot of time with them.
Okay, set. Just breathe. Do you like to read news?
Yes, I like news because it helps to me grab knowledge.
Okay, what is the main source you read news from?
Uh, I mostly prefer newspaper to read news.
Reading, okay. What type of news you are interested in?
I prefer Tribune newspaper to read news.
I ask what type of news you are interested in? ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਸੁਣਨੀਆਂ ਪਸੰਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਗੇ? Entertainment ਦੀਆਂ, informative ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ?
I mostly prefer entertainment news in newspaper.
Okay, set. Gurpreet. Your topic is spending time. Do you like to spending time with your family?
Yes, I love to spending time with my family members because it strengthens my bond with my family.
Okay, what do you usually do when you are free?
In my free time, I usually watch the movies with my family members as well as listen songs.
Okay, do you like to go to hill stations with your family members or friends when you are free?
Well, it depends on the situation. Whenever I'm free, I usually go with my family members, and whenever, on the other hand, when I want to spend time with my friends, at that time I prefer to go with them.
Okay, set. Sumit, do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books such as motivational books. It always motivate me.
Always motivate me.
It always motivate me to do anything in the
To do something new. Okay, which is your favorite book?
My favorite book is a Jungle Book, and it tells about the jungle and animal.
Okay, do you like to use technological gadgets?
Yes, sir. In this modern era, mostly you like to use technological gadgets, but I also prefer to use the technological gadgets because it helps me in when I study.
It helps me in my studies.
Purpose.
Okay, have you ever used these websites or social platforms for your study purpose?
Yes, sir. During the weekends, I always searching new things related to my studies on the online sites.
Okay, set. Robin, do you like to buy clothes?
Yes, I like to buy clothes because it enhances my personality.
Okay, which type of clothes do you like to buy? Casual or formal?
Mostly I buy casual clothes because they are very comfortable.
Okay, where you usually visit to buy clothes?
Usually I visit to my city market.
Okay, set. Raman. Do you like to use social media platforms?
Yes, I like to use social applications for various purposes. I like to use WhatsApp where I can get contact with my friends and relatives.
Okay, how much time you regularly spend on using social media?
I mostly spend half an hour in order to use the social applications, and some time when I have to get any more interesting part of my study related to my study, then at that time I spend most of the time on social media.
Okay, do you think internet is a great source for entertainment for us?
Yes, I think that entertainment is a great source of
Entertainment is a great source of entertainment.
and
Internet is
a great source of entertainment because with the help of internet there are lots of
Lots of videos, lots of blogs I see.
I see that.
Okay, sit. Devinder. Your topic is relax. What do you do to relax yourself?
In order to relax myself, I do different types of activities. First of all, I give preference to listen to music because it also very important for relax. But after that, I also do some outdoor activities with my friends.
Okay, where you usually visit to relax yourself?
There is a one park which is situated in my hometown and it is just a stone's throw away from my residential area. So I usually visit this park in order to entertainment and relax myself.
Okay, sit. Lovely. What's the name of your hometown?
My hometown name is Chahankitan.
Okay, how long have you been living there? ਕਦੋਂ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਰਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ?